Today we're going to do a quick video of how to remove spark plugs on a 2007 Toyota Camry. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove these upper bolts or nuts. We're going to be using a 10mm socket to get these out. Once you have those out, just go ahead and put them in a nice safe location. Pop this out. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and disconnect all these coil packs. I forgot the name of them real quick. Looks like this is also going to be a 10. Go ahead and loosen these out. And I don't suggest using power tools. I'm just using power tools because I use them all the time and I know how to use them. Alright, go ahead and remove the coil pack. Now we're going to go ahead and use the special socket to remove the spark plug. And by special socket I mean this 5/8 with the rubber gasket inside to grab the spark plug. Let's go ahead and take it out. And there it is. And that is how you remove spark plugs on a 2007 Toyota Camry. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.